Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about comments in Python. So what are comments? They are text that is only read by humans, not the computer. They are vital to programs as they allow others to understand your code, and they make code more neat and organized. So here are some examples. This is a single line comment and this is a multi-line comment. And here's some code example with comments. So the first one, this is a multi-line comment. This usually begins at the start of a program to explain what the code is about. Here, this is also a multi-line comment, but it uses single quotes. This is a single-line comment, and this is a single-line comment on the same line as a program statement, which in this case is just print 5. So as you can see, as the code is run, we get 5 printed to the console output. And none of these comments show up in the console output either. So that's how you know that the computer doesn't really read them. They're mainly for us to read. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch the next video.